Hello friend, I am Mirza Sama and you are welcome in my channel. In last video we have learned about command and escape sequence, and we also have learned how to print escape sequences as a text. That was a long method of printing escape sequences. Today I will show you how to print escape sequences as a text, as a normal text. So let's start. In last video we have learned how to print escape sequences for new line as a normal text. What we have learned, we learned that just put one slash before slash and backslash n, then it will be printed as an normal text, as we can see here. But we can do this with simply placing R before R before the quotations. Now this is a raw string. This string in this quotation mark is a raw string, and backslash n will be printed as it is. Now it is not treating as a escape sequences. It is just a normal text because we have placed R before quotation mark. Now at this time it is raw string. So let's run it and check how it works. So as you can see here, it is printed here backslash n. Same way we can print here backslash t for new line as it is. Just run it and check. Here you can see backslash is printed. So this is a very useful and easy way to print escape sequences as it is. As we can print here double backslash as it is. So run it and here is the output. Double backslash hello world double backslash. Now today we will also learn how to use Python as a calculator. So for that purpose we will use print function, and let's start how it works. For example, we have to add two numbers. We will use print 2 plus 2. So we will check output. So here we have 4, as we can see here. Let me to place hash before the print statement, so it become a comment, and let's run it again and check how it is. So here is 4. For example, we have to multiply two numbers. Print 2 steric 2. So the output will be 4 again. So here we have 4, as we can see. Above 4 is by adding, and below 1 is by multiplying. So let's suppose we have to divide two numbers. Print 2 double slash 2. It is for integer division. it is for integer, integer, devision. It is for integer division. So let's check. The answer is 1. As we can see, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So for suppose we have to decimal division, or we have to do float division. So for float division we will use print 2 /2. So here the answer will be 1.0. as we can see here, the answer is 1.0. Now we will use module operator or percent operator for remainder. So print 2 remainder operator 4. So remainder will be 2. Let's run it and check. So here we have remainder, which is 2. So in the same way we can add, multiply, subtract, and integer float division and percent for remainder operator. We can apply all these functions in Python for calculating numbers. One more thing, we can't place add between two we can't place multiply between two strings. For example, we have to print here string for example print print, and we use here 2. This will be printed as it is, or we can't do this. So here is an error, type error. We can't do this. We can't state static, we can't multiply two strings. But for example, I have to print that is in quotation mark 4 times. So I will simply place 4, after that static, after that in quotation mark my string. So now print will be printed for 4 times. Let's run it. So here we have print and print, but we can't multiply two string, but we can add two string. For example, here print quotation mark hello, and then plus, and then quotation mark world. Now it is a right syntax. So here we have hello world. As you can see here we have hello world. So for today it is enough. Remember all these functions and their functionalities, and remember raw string. I hope you all have understand. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, then you can ask in comment box. I will be pleased to answer all of these. Thank you.